everyone, welcome to my channel, Rexy's Adventures. So at the moment I'm on the Walyunga Trail, Walyunga National Park. I'm training for Cape to Cape, so I'm going to do the Cape to Cape in sections. So this is my first time hiking with my backpack, getting a feel for it, seeing how to pack it, what to take, etc. So today I'm hiking the trail and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to set up camp and my first night solo camping. So this is going to be good. So yeah, just taking you along with me, showing my adventure. Most of it's going to be solo, and just showing you the great world we live in and how awesome it is to be outdoors, and yeah, come along for the ride. So for dinner, a little dinner pack. So we're having jerky ramen for dinner. First time I've had this, so we're going to see how we go. So I've got my full pack. So I've got all my ingredients on the front of my pack. So I've got. So first I'm going to put my powder and my veg into a pot. So this is my dehydrated veg. So I had freezer veg and I've dehydrated it. Give it a stir and we've just got to bring it to the boil. So I'm just going to stir it up. So I dehydrated my veg yesterday. just in my little dehydrator, and while I was at it I dehydrated some fruit as well, just to bring on the trail with me. So I'm gonna put a lid on there and get it to boil. So as you can see, I've got my Pro Fuel canister, and then this is my 360 pot, 2 little pots, and then I just keep a lighter and some matches with it. So once I've got this boiling, we're reducing it to heat and letting it simmer for 5 minutes, and then I've got some noodles and some jerky we'll put in, and then that'll like rehydrate everything and cook it through 4 minutes. For dessert, so I've got another little pack so I keep everything in. So for dessert, I've got a little bit melted, got some dark chocolate. And then this was meant to be for my lunch. It's some creamy chicken soup, so I can either have that after this, or if I'm not bothered, or any of it. For breakfast tomorrow, I've got a tea egg, some sugar, and some coffee, so I can have a coffee for the morning. And then I've also got some overnight oats, which I'm going to prepare now, so it's ready for the morning. So this is peanut butter overnight oats. So I dehydrated some mango yesterday, and I put mango in here. We're just going to add some water, shake it up, get it all mixed up, and then by the morning it'll all be peanut buttery. I've used powdered peanut butter, just a bit easier than having butter in here. So yeah, see how we go. So first time making jerky ramen. Smells pretty good, looking pretty good. I'll show you what we've got going on. Yeah, see how it tastes. This is a winner. This is an Aussie bush toilet. Just a few little rules: close the lid, don't dip any chemicals, and don't throw litter down the toilet. So yeah, this is what I'm working with tonight. This is what you're pretty much going to get at most campsites, if you actually get a toilet. So down that toilet, it's just like compost. There's no flush or anything on it. There's toilet paper, which sometimes you don't get, and yeah, you can just look out into the bush. Alright guys, well this is my bed for night. This isn't what I'll be using when I do the Cape to Cape. So I'm hiring a mat, a sleeping mat, and I'm hiring a tent from the Cape to Cape. So when I first do it, if I really like it, if I'm going to continue to do it and do the rest of them, then I'm going to go and buy my own mat and my tent. This is my sleeping bag. It's just a standard sleeping bag. I'm thinking I'm going to need a hiking one. Just the fact this is way too bulky, I can't get it in my bag, so I'm going to go and have a look and see if I can get a hiking one. So I do have a hiking pillow and sleeping bag liner. I will get that out and show you. So this is the first time using the hiking pillow and sleeping bag. So Denali, this is my sleeping sleeping bag liner. So my sleeping bag liner, I'll get it out and then put it in the bed once I've gotten changed. And then this is my pillow. So it's a self-inflating pillow. Just open it up. We're going to open a little valve and then just starts to inflate. And then I'll wait until that's nice and fully inflated. Close the valve, and yeah, that's my pillow I'm sleeping with. I think you can blow air into it if you feel like you need it thicker than what it inflates to. Yeah, so I'm going to get changed. I'm going to get into my pyjamas. So my wash kit is that's not vodka. That's tea tree oil. So put a little bit of water in here. Got some tea tree oil. Put that in so it makes it smell nice. And then use the chucks under your armpits just a bit to make sure you're not so smelly. So I'm going to give this a go now. Yeah, get into my pyjamas and I'll set the tent up a little bit better. And then see how we go for my first night solo camping. Hey guys, so it's the next morning. As you can see, I'm not out camping anymore. I went to bed last night with quite a bad headache. Tried some more water, took some pills, went outside, tried to get some fresh air, and it just would not go away. So I actually ended up driving back home last night. Had some more food, had some fluids at home, and woke up with a slight headache this morning, but feeling a bit better. So I've just spent the morning sort of assessing what I need to do, what I need to tweak. When I was going through my camping stuff that I've got at home, I found some more hydration, actual sachet things, like fluidy hydration things. So I'm thinking they're going to be better to take with me, maybe hydrate me a little bit more. I did drink over 4 litres yesterday, but it was hot, it was humid. I also think, even though the ramen jerky noodles was really nice, I do think I need some more substance, more protein, more carbs. I think I do need something more, and I think that will help. I've gone and lost my hiking boots and my orthotics. Took them off when I got to the car last night and can't find them. I'm really hoping, I've emailed the ranger, I'm really hoping the rangers found them. I did go back there this morning to try and find them. Couldn't find them, don't know what I've done with them. I do have another hiking camping trip booked in 2 weeks' time with the girlfriend. Yeah, that'll all be dependent on whether I can find my boots, and I kind of need my orthotics for every day. So yeah, so that's going to be interesting. But we've learnt a lot this time. First time doing it. Okay, I didn't complete the full night in the tent. But it's a learning curve, this is why I'm doing it, to learn from it. So hopefully 2 weeks time we'll get out there again, I'll have my boots back, reassess for next week, get some more food, get some more fluids. Like I said, I'll be with my girlfriend, so she will be there with me in the tent, so it won't be solo camping. So yeah, so there we go. I'll post a video next time.